Assalamu alaikum ji guys. Today we have this MacBook. Most of the customers they were asking that why I'm not bringing M1. So today I'm bringing M1. This is in 13 inches. Quickly the physical condition of the Mac. Here is the physical condition of the Mac. This is aux port, and these are the type C ports. So let's go to the I'll show you the physical condition again, but right now we are moving towards the specs, right? So here's the magic keyboard. This is not with the Mac, this is for my iMac. I'm placing the mouse as well, so that I can have a complete access on my Mac. So here you go guys. This is MacBook M1. This is MacBook M1 in 13 inches, M1 2020. The RAM is 16 GB. Mostly you see in 13 inches there are two variants. In 13 inches there are two variants. The first variant is the base variant, that is with 8 GB and 256 SSD, right? And the second is 8 GB with 512 SSD. This is not base variant because the RAM is 16 GB. If the RAM would be in 8 GB, so that MacBook would be as counted as a base model. But this is 16 GB, so this is a high-end model, not a base variant, right? So this is 16 GB, right? And the processor chip is M1. Here's a serial. So if you want to check the warranty of this MacBook, I have copied the serial. Now I'm going towards I can also see the warranty if I have Andorra. Yeah, more info. Yeah, so here you go, 16 GB. I'm going to show you. So there are two methods. First method is you can check your warranty of your Mac by Apple from here, right? From the Google, right? Apple coverage. Why I'm checking this? Because this M1 is new, because this MacBook launched in 2020, right? So this MacBook is launched in 2020. So 2021, 2022, 23. This is only 3 years. So maybe this MacBook has a Apple warranty. So because the last MacBook that came in M1 was up to 2030. The MacBook warranty was up till 2030. So I'm gonna paste the serial over here, HC62K, and submitting this. Please enter a valid serial. Why this is showing? Let me see the serial. One thing that I want to add today, because in most of the serials Apple is showing this. Due to why we are facing this issue, because the Apple server is down. So later on we can do this again, and that would be accessible. CO2FR27, CO2FR27 UQ05Q, right? 05Q. So let's check again, and the variant serial 9TAQ. Let's do it again. No, it's showing again. Command C, Command V, E1, MZ9, submitting. Let's see. Yeah, now 3QCT CFU. So no, again. Now I'm going to try the second method, the coverage. You can see the coverage here, details, check coverage. Now this is opening again that same window. So I'm gonna putting the same again, 22QDL QDL submitting. No, it's in the site is not accessible right now because the Apple server is not right now is not, the link may be down. We can check later on. So moving towards the specs. So this is 16 GB. I did not mention the SSD. Here is the SSD. SSD is 256 GB. The SSD is 256 GB SSD. You can see the SSD 256 GB. Mac Ventura is already installed. Let's check the cycle counts. System report, power. The cycle counts are 191, very less. Battery capacity 93%. 191 cycles, and the graphic card is by M1. So quickly I'm going to fill this information so that you will be remembered. Processor is M1. 16 GB is 256 GB. The graphic card is not dedicated, is not here. The internal is M1 191. Cycle counts, no, nothing. Final price is 350. I'm putting this old price because due to increment and the high inflation in the dollar, so the prices are very high. Prices are getting very high. So we are giving you on a very less price, just for 350. This is the old price. So charger is 61 watt, same as it is. Now I have filled all the information, and I'm going to show you the physical condition very clearly of the Mac. You see the touch bar. You see if you want to see the serial of the Mac, LCO2 FRQ5 Q0, serial of the Mac, right? Q05Q. Here is the serial. Now the charger is 61 watt, right? The charger is 61 watt. This is the copy charger because the serial is not right here. I'm going to change the serial charger. Can you please change the charger because serial is not written inside. So my boy is going to change this charger. Now we are trying to find the serial on the cable, right? Always whenever you check the charger, make sure the serial is should be written inside. Now if you could not get the stamp, right, just open it as it is, right? And you will see on a side, right? You will see here, not in that port. $80 61 watt. So I'm gonna please open this RAB, open this. Now the third is this is see, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. So this is 100% genuine power extension cable, right? Here is the printing. You want to see the printing because designed by Apple in California, right? So 61 watt. We have this is 87. No, I'm 61 watt. So I'm gonna, now here it is. You can see the printing on a cable. Yeah, printing on a cable. This should be here. It should be here. Yeah, here you go. We have found, finally we have found. So designed by Apple in California and assembled in China. And the serial is IFQDL TL110711FAA. So we have verified this one, the stamp is right here. We have also verified the stamp on the cable is also mentioned. Two things. Third, this is the 3-pin adapter. This is the 3-pin adapter, and so here you go. The sign. Let me show you the stamp. Here you go. So do not use this, always use power extension cable. So we have shown you everything. My boy is still finding the charger because the charger is inside the cupboard, so I am going to bring that charger myself. Hope you like the video and see you on the next time.